Hey friends, and welcome back to another hair review on my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, sis, and join the family. We would love to have you. To all of my returning subscribers, hey bestie, I hope you're doing well and being safe as always. So we're gonna jump straight into this hair review. So I received a headband wig from Amazon. So before we jump straight into the review, I do talk about how to care for your natural hair while in a protective style, because there is no point in this if we are not protecting our hair. We are not setting our hair up for success when it comes to seeing that gorgeous growth, getting those inches, if we are not caring for our natural hair while it is in the protective style. Now, always do any style in moderation, because we don't want to see breakage or anything else coming from our hair from overdoing a style. For me, when doing and caring for my natural hair, I go in with a daily moisturizer, a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going in with the Texture ID Coils Daily Moisturizing Cream. Did wet my hair and I applied this daily moisturizing cream to my hair, and then I brush it back so that we can get it as flat as possible. I am opening up my package that I received through the mail, through Amazon, from my hair, and here is the packaging. Super Nova, super superb, super affordable, 100% human hair. So we have 100% human hair headband wig that we are about to try on. Now, I have headband wigs galore, but I just feel like you can't have too many, because I mean, the styles are endless for one, because of all the headbands that you can wear, and I mean, they're so easy. Like, why not collect them all? Collect them all. So including my headband wig, they gave me this edge wrap to lay my edges, because you know our edges are going to be out for this style, but my edges are already laid. But they did include this nice little silk wrap for me to, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair out, and we have several headbands, honey. 1, 2, 3, 4 headband selection, A+. I like this. A lot of headband wigs that I have received before, they only want to give you like 1 or 2, 4 headbands, okay? And I've been a collector of headbands, so I love the variety. I got like this bandana looking one. The one and only freaking leopard print like that comes in every freaking headband. So I have so many leopard print headbands. This one looks like a little butterfly print, and then we have this silk satin one, which I'm gonna try it out because it's different. I like that. It's different. It's different. So we also have this wig cap that comes with it. I already got one on here, but they do provide one, so that is also very nice. And here is the hair. So as we can see already, it is straight. She's gonna be about a bob, a little bit below our shoulder. So she a lob, a long bob. For those of you who don't know what a lob is. And let's go ahead and test out this hair, see what this hair is looking like. So taking her out. There we go. There she got a little bit of body. She definitely needs some brushing because she's a little tangled up there. Human hair? I don't know. Well, yeah, okay, it is. I guess it is a little bit of, okay, it smells like human hair. You know how human hair has that like distinct smell? I don't know if that's just me, but like human hair has a distinct smell. Like, you know, when you pull it out, yeah, that's human hair. And this isn't what I usually see on my headband wigs or wigs, period. This looks like what they use for like clip-ins. Is that the word I'm looking for? So yeah, you have 3 in the front and 2 in the back. Alright, so I went and grabbed me a Tangling Brush that I use on my daughters. I'm about to brush this pretty thing out. Like, she is super cute. I was a little skeptical at first. I was Girl, y'all see that little hump right there? Y'all see that little... y'all see it? She giving some body there right there. So there we go. She got some little flipping going on, but it might be how I'm brushing it. Maybe if we... and she'll flip the other way. Wait, hold on. Maybe she might... Nope, she's flipping out. And she is really soft. I can't stop running my fingers through her hair. Girl. Okay, she's about this thick. Oh, she's stretchy. Usually my satin wraps don't be stretchy. Okay, so she got a little polyester in her too. Okay. I understand. Hold on, a little bit of spandex up in there. Let's move it to the talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Like these flips, they're starting to grow on me now. At first I was just like, nah, I'm gonna get my flat iron out and I'm gonna flip them back the other direction, but no. First we're gonna get into the details. So this is a 14-inch straight headband wig. 100% human hair is what is advertised, and it is super soft and not a whole lot of shedding or anything like that. I feel like it's about your usual couple of strands here and there, especially if you're doing like a deep like brushing through on the initial wear. This wig retails for about $70 before taxes, shipping, and handling. And for my frugal ladies, because y'all know I am a frugal individual, if you love doing a DIY, I have DIY'd a couple of my headbands for cheaper than this, of course. So if you don't mind taking out the time and a little bit of elbow grease to create your own, by all means, and it's half the price. By all means, it's like, go ahead and watch those tutorials as well. I have those up on my channel already, and I'll leave a link down below for you guys. So now back to this wig. I'm sorry, shameless plug. It ain't shameless because it's my channel. But anyways, I'll definitely give this a 5-star. I would. Like, the hair is awesome. The wig is awesome. I love this like bump that it has going on. I love the length of it where it's not too much. I gotta feel like I'm constantly like pulling it off of me. So I love that they included this like silk wrap one, which is my favorite. I love the print on it. I love the stretchiness of it, definitely my favorite. So yeah, like I figured, these are the typical headbands where you have like the little knot at the top and then it is nice and wide at the base. That is what I always look for all my headbands that I receive from Headband Wigs. I like for it to have that nice thick base, and by base I mean what goes in the back of my head, because I want to make sure it's going to cover up my Velcro, you know? Like, I don't want a headband, like if I pull the hair up into a ponytail or a different style, that I can see the Velcro kind of hanging out there like, hey sis, how you doing? You know, I want it to be hidden so it looks as natural as possible. Of course, I will leave the link down below for this gorgeous unit that I am about to go and take some cute pics in, because she's super cute. She's super cute. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've been with us for this entire review. I appreciate you, boo. Thank you, sis. Don't forget to hit that like button if you really are feeling this wig, and click the link to purchase. It does help out my channel when you purchase through my links, because of course I make commission off of those links, which helps me bring in new ideas, new hairstyles. Follow me on Instagram at shante.ponpon. We will see y'all on another tutorial. Be blessed and be safe.